Hello, fellow Texans. Let's talk about the Lone Star State's favorite topic, Texas LLCs. If you have been thinking about setting up your own, but feel a tad overwhelmed by the process, you have come to the right place. Before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can always receive information designed to help your new business succeed by saving time and money. Have you ever tried to navigate the government's complex and slow system? Waiting in line, understanding intricate forms, and figuring out what's next can be a bit of a headache. But here's the good news. You do not have to do it alone. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We are here to make things smooth and straightforward for you. Did you know that there are over 2 million small businesses in Texas? Yes, 2 million. And guess what? A significant portion of them are LLCs. It's no wonder they are popular. They provide liability protection, potential tax benefits, and are relatively easy to manage. But getting one set up, that is where the challenge can lie. Now, here is another interesting fact for you. Texas ranks in the top 5 states in the USA for its business-friendly environment. So it's the perfect place for your LLC. But forming one can still be tricky if you are going it alone. That is why we are here to help. Our organization is proud to be the #1 third-party organization in the USA that can form a Texas LLC on your behalf. Yes, #1. And we wear that badge with pride. Why are we the best, you ask? Because we have streamlined the entire process. We understand that you want to focus on growing your business, not drowning in paperwork. We can handle every step for you, helping to ensure that your LLC is formed correctly and efficiently. You might wonder why you should choose us over doing it yourself. Well, besides the maze that is the government system, we have the expertise, experience, and enthusiasm to ensure your Texas LLC formation is a success. So, Texans, if you are ready to dive into the world of business without the hassle of setting up your LLC on your own, remember one thing. You can take care of the entire LLC formation process by visiting legalregistration.com. Or get started by calling our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what type of business do you plan on running? Let us know about your exciting entrepreneurial dreams by leaving your comment below. Do not forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your Texas business to maximum profitability.